Welcome, dear student, in our YouTube channel, Discovery International School, and collaboration with the YCL, the brand of quality education. Your heartiest welcome. Subscribe our channel and push the bell icon for getting the latest update. So, continue, make yourself present in our all videos. Myself, Sunil Kumar, Botany faculty, experience a lot of years. Okay. पहले वाले वीडियो में बेटा हमने पढ़ा था सेल डिवीजन से रिलेटेड वीडियो मैंने आपको बना करके भेज दिए, अपलोड भी कर दिए गए हैं, जिसको थोड़ा सा 2 या 3 पार्ट में शायद चेंज किया है। माइटोसिस अलग से बनाया है, माइटोसिस के बाद में म्यूसिस को 2 पार्ट में किया है क्योंकि थोड़ा बड़ा होता है, इसलिए अलग अलग पार्ट में किया, म्यूसिस फर्स्ट और म्यूसिस सेकेंड। म्यूसिस फर्स्ट में सिर्फ म्यूसिस फर्स्ट की एक पहली प्रोफेज फर्स्ट स्टेज है, उसके बाद पूरा का पूरा सेकंड वीडियो में दिया गया है, तो आप उसे नोट कर लें। लेट अस स्टार्ट न्यू टॉपिक ऑफ 11th क्लास एनसीईआरटी बायोमोलिक्यूल। बायोमोलिक्यूल, व्हाट डू मीन बायोमोलिक्यूल? बायोमोलिक्यूल मीन्स the molecules which are found into body of living being or into cells of living being known as biomolecule. And biomolecules, the complete body, or we can say the cell of any type of the living being, made up of or organized by these association of these molecules. Therefore these are known as biological molecule or biomolecule. बायोमोलिक्यूल से पहले पढ़ने से पहले हमें बेटा पढ़ना चाहिए, पहले हमें डिस्कशन करनी चाहिए थोड़ी सी किसके बारे में? प्रोटोप्लाज्म। Protoplasm is the physical need or physical basis of life. That means protoplasm is very essential for surviving any type of life. Without protoplasm, there no any type of life can be survived. So what is protoplasm? First of all, we discuss about it. Okay. सबसे पहले आप इसको समझिए कि क्या है प्रोटोप्लाज्म, क्या है? इट इज अ सेल ऑफ प्लांट कंटेन आउटर स्ट्रक्चर एज सेल वॉल एंड सेकेंड इंटरनल मोस्ट लेयर इज नोन एज मेम्ब्रेन. It contain nucleus containing chromatinate. It is plant cell after removal of plant cell wall, a new type of cell formation occur. This cell containing only cell membrane. You can see here a cell दिख रहा होगा शायद अच्छे से, कलरफुल कुछ स्ट्रक्चर बनानी जरूरी होती है। यदि देखने में कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रही है तो जरूर आप कमेंट्स करके बता दें कि ये प्रॉब्लम आ रही है। आफ्टर रिमूवल ऑफ सेल वॉल, दिस इज नोन एज cell wall. It is cell wall, and yellowish structure which I have drawn known as cell membrane. Okay, cell membrane. After the removal of cell wall, only cell membrane as a outer covering remain with this cell. It is known as protoplasm. A cell Cell wall-less cell. Cell wall-less cell is known as protoplasm. It contains cell membrane, nucleus, and there are so many cell organelles are found and cytoplasm. Cell membrane, nucleus, and different type of cell organelles and cytoplasm, combinedly known as protoplasm. First time by whom seen or observation of protoplasm. First observation of protoplasm done by Corti. First time observation of protoplasm, PP, that means protoplasm. First time observation done by Corti, but they not explain, they not given any type of explanation on it. And next, Felix Dujardin. Felix Dujardin discovered the structure into animal cell or observation of protoplasm, second time done by Felix Dujardin in animal cell. Animal cell and given a name, term क्या दी इसको, प्रोटोप्लाज्म अभी भी नहीं कहा, इसको कहा सारकोड. The sarcode term given by Felix Dujardin by observation of this protoplasm into animal cell. And first time observation done by Corti. Next, Purkinje. Purkinje discovered the protoplasm into plant cell. In which cell? Plant cell. Observation of protoplasm done by Purkinje and given a name protoplasm. Protoplasm. ओके, प्रोटोप्लाज्म आप यहां देख सकते हैं कि 3 पी है, पुरकिंजे, प्लांट सेल एंड प्रोटोप्लाज्म. याद रखने में बड़ा इजी है कि प्रोटोप्लाज्म जो नेम है, वो जो टर्म है, वो सबसे पहले किसने दी थी? ये टर्म दी थी पुरकिंजे ने. by observation of which kind of the cell? Plant cell. So Purkinje, plant cell and protoplasm. First time observation by Corti. Second time Felix Dujardin into animal cell, given a name, given a term which is known as sarcode. And the protoplasm, the name protoplasm given by Purkinje. Okay. Now, O. Hartwig and another name of scientist which is known as Max Schulz. O. Hartwig and Max Schulz. Max Schulz given protoplasm theory. The protoplasm theory was given by O. Hartwig, the father of cell biology, also known O. Hartwig and Max Schulz. Given a protoplasm theory. What do you mean the protoplasm theory? Protoplasm theory का मीनिंग ये होता है कि protoplasm is the physical basis of life. What is this? Protoplasm as the physical basis of life. ओके, इसका मीनिंग है प्रोटोप्लाज्म is the physical basis of life. That means no any type of life can be survive on the earth विदाउट प्रोटोप्लाज्म. आप समझ भी गए होंगे क्योंकि मैंने आपको थोड़ी देर पहले बताया भी है कि कोई भी सेल है उस सेल की सेल वॉल को रिमूव कर दो, प्लांट सेल है मान लीजिए, बैक्टीरियल सेल है मान लीजिए, और उस सेल को क्या कहते हैं, प्रोटोप्लाज्म कहते हैं. यदि कोई भी सेल किसकी है, एनिमल की है सेल, उसमें तो सेल वॉल होती नहीं है, तो हम रिमूव क्या करेंगे, हम कुछ भी रिमूव नहीं करेंगे, उस पर सेल मेम्ब्रेन है, बस सिंपल सी बात है. बट उसको क्या कहते हैं, उसको कहते हैं प्रोटोप्लास्ट. तो यहां पर मैं आपको एक स्टार पॉइंट डाल करके लिख देता हूं, एनिमल सेल नोन एज प्रोटोप्लास्ट. ओके, तो आप इस बात को समझ चुके हैं कि प्रोटोप्लाज्म क्या होता है. प्रोटोप्लाज्म है वो एक फिजिकल बेसिस है किसी भी लाइफ का. ओके, एंड लास्ट रिलेटेड साइंटिस्ट विलियम हग्सले. विलियम हग्सले wrote a book on दिस टॉपिक. किस टॉपिक पे बुक लिखी, प्रोटोप्लाज्म इज द फिजिकल बेसिस ऑफ लाइफ. ऑन दिस टॉपिक, दैट मीन प्रोटोप्लाज्म थ्योरी, प्रोटोप्लाज्म थ्योरी. इस पर किसने बुक लिखी थी, अ बुक रिटन बाय विलियम हग्सले. ओके, प्रोटोप्लाज्म इज द फिजिकल बेसिस ऑफ लाइफ. नाउ हमें समझ लेना चाहिए कि प्रोटोप्लाज्म क्या है. अभी तक आपकी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हों समझ में आ गई होंगी. ये कुछ एक साइंटिस्ट हैं बेटा, इन साइंटिस्ट से रिलेटेड कई बार क्वेश्चन आ जाता है, हु गिवन द प्रोटोप्लाज्म थ्योरी. सिंपल सी बात हो, हर्ट विगन, मैक्सवेल्स, एंड व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ प्रोटोप्लाज्म थ्योरी. Protoplasm is the physical basis of life. Simple thing. First time who observed the protoplasm? Cordy. But particular name नहीं दे सके. फेलिक्स डुजार्डिन एनिमल सेल में इन्होंने इसको ऑब्जर्व किया और नाम क्या दिया, टर्म गिवन शार्कोट. ओके, प्रोटोप्लाज्म टर्म गिवन बाय परकिंजे by observation it into plant cell. Okay, now some general properties of protoplasm. Okay, first thing, physical basis of life. Second, translucent odorless contain colloidal particles. Translucent, that means no any type of light can cross this material from one side to next side, known as translucent, but it can be given some reflection. Odorless, there is no any odor or smell comes from this structure. It has so many colloidal particles. Colloidal particles are very small and tiny particles which are found dissolved form into this medium known as colloidal particle. It has a nature elasticity, irritability, irritability, and conductivity. That means you can understand by the conductivity of electrons in a conductive wire. Just like a conductive wire, our protoplasm also help to move the electrons or electrical particles in our protoplasm. It is known as conductivity. Okay, irritability, you know very well. By the help of protoplasm, irritation also can be occur in our body. So many type of irritation can be occur. Elasticity, flexibility, a character in which bending into a structure which can be a part of protoplasm. For example, skin, we can take this example, skin has a flexibility. So skin is also, cell membrane is also part of a cell or protoplasm. Okay, we can say protoplasm also known as true solution. What is true solution? A true solution has two parts. How many parts? Two parts. कौन कौन से सॉल्यूशन के बारे में आपने पढ़ा ही है? फर्स्ट वन इज dispersion and second one dispersed. Dispersion found into high amount, then dispersed, and dispersed found into less amount. We can say just like a solution which contain solute and solvent, so it also can be utilized as a solvent, but इसको solvent नहीं कहते हैं. And you can understand by take example of these terms. Solute. Okay, so dispersion and disperse, there are two part of a true solution. On the basis of different type of physical form of dispersion and disperse, there are four kind of true solution found. We can take example. First number, sol form. Second example, gel form. Third example, emulsion. And fourth one, known as aerosol. Okay. First of all, we discussed about the sol form of protoplasm. You know, there are two parts found of the protoplasm, dispersion and dispersed. एक की लिक्विड फॉर्म में तो दूसरे की सॉलिड फॉर्म में हो सकती है. तो यहां पर देखिए, फर्स्ट dispersion found into liquid form, plus second इसको फर्स्ट कहा ना, और इसको सेकंड, डिस्पर्स को सेकंड. If dispersion found into liquid form, then it is found into solid form. Okay, so sol form is a liquid dispersion and disperse found into solid form. It is mostly found into most of cell. Example, most of cells. ओके, जेल फॉर्म, जेल फॉर्म में इससे उल्टा होता है. इसका फर्स्ट पार्ट यानी कि जो डिस्पर्जन है वो होता है सॉलिड. ओके, एंड द सेकेंड पार्ट जो कि डिस्पर्स्ड फॉर्म होती है वो होती है लिक्विड. ओके, यहां देखो एस पहले है, एल बाद में, एस फॉर सॉलिड, एल फॉर लिक्विड. देयर इज नो एनी टाइप ऑफ डेफिनेशन वी कैन डिफाइन हियर. लेकिन यहां इसकी हेल्प जरूर ले सकते हैं. जो पहले एस है सॉलिड वो बाद वाला मीडियम है, बाद वाला मटेरियल है, और एल फॉर लिक्विड ये पहले वाला, उल्टा है. यहां आप ये याद कर सकते हैं. एंड जेल फॉर्म एल बाद में आता है, ये बिल्कुल सीधा है. बाद में जो आने वाला यानी कि डिस्पर्स्ड है वो लिक्विड है, एंड पहले आने वाला यानी कि डिस्पर्जन वो क्या है, सॉलिड फॉर्म में है. ये एग्जांपल है बेटा स्किन सेल्स. What are skin cells and emulsion? You know very well that when both type of form of protoplasm found, sol form as well as gel form, simultaneously known as emulsion form, that mean both forms, sol and gel found, known as emulsion. Example, blood, plasma, blood plasma of human. We can take an example. And what is the last type of solution? The last type of solution or type of the material is known as solid particle found into gas. First, that means dispersion found into gaseous form, and second, dispersed form material or second component of aerosol is found into solid. That means solid particle, SPM, suspended particulate matter, you know very well, and smoke of the vehicles and smoke of the different type of energy industries or release into environment. It react with the gaseous particles and form a smoky environment. This is known as aerosol. We can say also fog, which we can see in a whitish color in the winter season. Okay, so there are four type of solution found: sol form, gel form, emulsion form and aerosol form. Aerosol form living being में नहीं पाया जाता. Not found into living being. तो तीन टाइप की होती है बेटा, sol form, gel form and emulsion. Okay, next let us start new points which can understand by the help of sol form, gel form, emulsion form of protoplasm here. Next point, a cyclosis movement. Cyclosis movement found into protoplasm. This creates by the help of cytoplasm just around the cell vacuole. It is a plant cell. It is cell vacuole. Just around cell vacuole, movement of cytoplasm take place. It is alive process of cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is part of protoplasm, so we can say this movement is cyclosis movement of a protoplasm. Okay, and the next, Brownian movement. The liquid medium of protoplasm provide a very good and fantastic movement of some small particles here and there randomly. We can understand by the help of an example, another drawing of a cell. Into cell there are so many small particles, Brownian particles are found. These particles move here and there just like particles, solid particles, small solid particles which can move into sun rays which comes in our home, in our house from a window. Okay, they move here and there. This type of movement is known as Brownian movement, and this Brownian movement done by colloidal particles, very small and tiny particles which are found into protoplasm. Okay, and due to movement, this activity is known as bombardment into protoplasm. So into protoplasm, this bombardment, a new character, a next character found which is known as metabolism. What is metabolism? You know, the all physiological process which are found into a cell or all biochemical reactions which are going on continuously into protoplasm known as metabolism or metabolic reaction. There are two types of metabolic reactions. First is anabolic reaction and second one catabolic reactions. Okay, anabolic reactions and catabolic reaction. There are two type of metabolic reaction found into protoplasm which continuously going on by the help of this type of the movement, Brownian movement, bombardment of different type of chemical, biochemical product, biochemical particles and biochemical compounds hit with each other, and at this time they also hit with the enzymes. So there are 3000 of enzymes can be found into protoplasm, into a cell. These enzymes help to complete these reactions. Anabolism and catabolism. We can say anabolic reactions combinedly known as anabolism, and catabolic reactions combinedly known as catabolism. Okay, this anabolic reactions produce large particles, large or big particles or big compounds from small molecule. Small molecules change into big compounds or big molecules through a process which is known as anabolic reactions. Okay, and the just inverse form or reverse form catabolic reactions, small molecules convert into small molecules converted by big molecules. Small molecules converted by big molecules. We can also understand by the help of CAT cat, and one rhyming word more also we can utilize here. CUT cat. Cut means changing the big piece in a very small tiny pieces. Okay, so it is conversion of big molecule into small molecules. It is also can be known as oxidation, and in this process anabolism reaction, small molecules react with each other by the help of enzyme, and these enzyme convert it into large or big compounds, and these big compounds can be stored in the protoplasm, can be stored in the different part of our body, and these can be also get oxidized, and after oxidation they release a very great amount of एनर्जी. ओके, आज हम इस वीडियो में इतना ही पढ़ेंगे, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ प्रोटोप्लाज्म. उसके बाद हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे द केमिकल कंपोजिशन ऑफ प्रोटोप्लाज्म एंड डिफरेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स विच आर फाउंड इनटू प्रोटोप्लाज्म. वीडियो इसको एक बार वापस ठीक से आप पढ़ ले, रिवाइज कर ले. कहीं कोई दिक्कत आती है तो आप कमेंट्स कर सकते हैं, पूछ सकते हैं, कॉल कर सकते हैं. आज के इस वीडियो में हम इतना ही पढ़ेंगे. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको मैंने बता दिया कि इसका नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है, और नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इसका है द केमिकल कंपोजिशन ऑफ प्रोटोप्लाज्म. ओके, सो सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे इस वीडियो को, हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को, और इसे शेयर करें अपने फ्रेंड्स में, और बेल आइकन को ज़रूर पुश करें. ओके, बाय बाय.